Tonight, the waters off Split were hit by a powerful storm, bringing heavy rain, thunder, and strong winds, creating unprecedented scenes across the region. Storm clouds formed in the late afternoon over the central Adriatic Sea after a powerful storm hit Sinj and its surroundings the previous day, causing the postponement of the famous Sinj Alka. Around 7 p.m., a thunderstorm struck by Sivo and Vis, where wind gusts of up to 50 knots were recorded, while large waves were visible in footage from the sea. According to measurements, heavy rain fell on Vis. The air temperature dropped from 30 degrees Celsius to just 21 degrees Celsius, and the strong winds caused significant problems on the island, including the stranding of several sailboats and the need for firefighters. This line of thunderstorms quickly spread to Var and Brac, and then to Split, where the powerful storm began after 8:30 p.m. Heavy rain, sudden temperature drops, and severe thunderstorms were recorded in the area from Castilla to Omis. According to several automatic weather stations, rainfall rates exceeded 100 liters per square meter per hour, and the Trova region alone recorded more than 20 liters of rain in the last hour. The dramatic atmosphere was particularly palpable at Poljud Stadium in Split. The power went out at 9 p.m. due to the storm, and the match between Hajduk and Istra 1961 was delayed by almost an hour. Spectators sheltered from the rain and thunder, while the pitch was flooded. Relevant agencies have reported potential material damage, especially to ships affected by wind and waves, but so far there have been no reports of injuries. Meteorologists warn of the possibility of further instability overnight, especially affecting maritime traffic and port infrastructure. Residents and boaters are urged to exercise caution and follow official warnings. Powerful storm struck the Frentano region this afternoon, August 3rd, particularly between Lanciano, Trelio, Rocca San Giovanni, and even out to sea. Within minutes, thunder and lightning turned into a massive storm, accompanied by hail and strong gusts of wind. In the town of Severini, between Trelio and Lanciano, piles of ice accumulated on the roadsides. Hail also coated olive groves with an unusual white coating, while rivers of water swept across the roads, battering the roads even harder than before.
Wow, niente rimasto.
The severe weather also hit the seaside and equipped beaches along the coast. In Fossasija, for example, photos and reports came in of beach resorts with chairs and tables overturned by the storm and outdoor spaces covered in hail. Another critical problem left by this powerful storm included fallen trees on city roads in several areas between Frentano and Lanciano. In Trelio, on the city road leading to the San Giorgio sports field, which has been cleared thanks to the timely intervention of the city authorities. In the Sacchetti district, where the road has been closed to traffic for safety measures, and on Via Roma, at the entrance to the city. Tense scenes prevailed this afternoon, Sunday, August 3rd, on the Lazio coast, Macaries, following a powerful tornado that suddenly struck the beach, sending umbrellas flying and frightening beachgoers. The weather suddenly deteriorated, and a strong wind blew, blowing everything away. Gianluca, a bartender at the Croatia Beach Club, told Eden Kronos. The incident only lasted a few minutes, but people were terrified and ran for cover. On Sunday, August 3rd, Tezend was hit by a powerful storm accompanied by heavy rain and thunder. A video surfaced on social media showing the city's streets completely submerged in water. This weather was not surprising, as meteorologists had already predicted a very volatile day with the possibility of localized rain, thunderstorms, and severe weather. BH Mateo had previously warned that the highest probability of localized thunderstorms was in parts of central, northern, and northeastern Bosnia, and later in the evening in parts of Herzegovina. More pleasant temperatures were expected in the coming days, with even cooler temperatures in some places. However, high temperatures are expected to return towards the end of the first and second decades of August. A severe storm in Serbia began shortly after 5 p.m. with heavy rain and hail, and the Moravici district was the first to be affected. The RHMZ had previously issued an emergency disaster warning. Heavy hail also hit the Obrenovac region this evening. As you can see in the video, the town was bombarded with ping-pong ball-sized hail. The storm also hit the surrounding area of Yuba, and photos showing the aftermath of the storm surfaced on social media. In particular, a trampoline ended up in a neighbor's yard due to the strong winds. As you can see in the video on social media, the storm first hit Pranjane, a neighborhood in the Moravica district. Heavy hail and heavy rain were present, and as you can see in the video, the entire yard of family's house was turned white. In the yard, the grass was barely visible because of the ice. Everything was white, and the hail continued to fall relentlessly. According to preliminary information, extensive damage was caused to agricultural crops, especially vegetable crops and orchards. Hailstones the size of hazelnuts fell for almost 20 minutes without stopping, local residents told the RENA news agency. According to the Hail's Serbia Instagram weather page, a small but noticeable supercell formed near Mokra Gora in the Zlatibor district at 3:30 p.m. Heavy rain fell today in the afternoon around Ljig, and drivers on the Miloš Veliki highway were caught in the storm. Toward the end of the day, a powerful storm hit Papa, a tornado-like storm battering the town, flooding several apartments, uprooting trees, and causing power outages in the area. Residents reported the shocking phenomenon, and a video was filmed to record the incident. Reports from several locations in the city indicated that the winds were not only strong, but also swirled the rain in a swirling motion, sending smoke across sidewalks and rooftops.